We're going to fry up the taape that we caught. The taape is a Blueline Snapper. It's an invasive species in Hawaii. From the shore, they come up every now and then. Sometimes, but when they come up, you catch a lot of them. Usually they tend to be on the smaller side. This was a pretty good sized one. We caught a couple of them that day. What I'm doing here is I'm cutting the fins off. The reason why I'm cutting the fins off is the taape has very sharp barbs on the inside the fin. And when you get poked by them, it not only hurts, but it's almost like there is a toxin in it that it hurts for a while. So here I am cutting off some of the fins. Gonna make it nice, neat, and clean so people can pick at it after we cook it and not worry about getting poked. If you cook it with the fins on and you get poked, you don't get that toxin stinging sensation. It's just sharp. So I'm wiping it down. I scaled it previously. I normally scale it at the beach and gut it at the beach. Cut some slices in here so I get a nice even cooking through the meat. I'm going to lightly salt it and then put on some pepper. Now the thing with the taape is anything smaller than this size, I'd be careful about cooking up because it has a lot of bones. So I'm using tempura batter. I like it because it's a nice, light, crispy batter. Fry it up. We're cooking inside today because it's been a little rainy. Normally we do it outside. Now one of the things I like to do with fish is I fry it 2 times. So I'll take it out, I'll fry it once, I'll take it out, let it rest, and then fry it again is what I'm doing here. And there it is. How we'll eat it is we made a ponzu sauce, and that's a taape, fried crispy.